Right now, your heart is beating quietly inside your chest. It pumps nearly 2,000 gallons of blood through your body every single day. But the very first meal you eat in the morning can either protect that heart or slowly damage it over time. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, but many popular breakfasts send shock waves through your bloodstream. These foods can spike blood sugar, raise cholesterol, and strain your heart. Let's travel inside the body and see what actually happens. Sugary cereal breakfasts may look harmless, but once digested, they release huge amounts of glucose into your blood. Your pancreas responds by releasing insulin, and your heart must pump harder to circulate the sudden sugar surge. Processed meats like bacon and sausage contain large amounts of saturated fat. These fats travel through the bloodstream as cholesterol particles. Over time, those particles can begin sticking to artery walls, and slowly blood flow to the heart becomes restricted. Sweet coffee drinks combine caffeine with massive sugar loads. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system. Your adrenal glands release adrenaline, and your heart begins beating faster than normal. White bread toast is another hidden problem. Refined carbohydrates break down extremely fast. This causes another spike in blood sugar. Repeated spikes force the body into metabolic stress. Fast food breakfast sandwiches often contain high sodium and fat. Excess sodium raises blood pressure. Your heart must push blood through tighter vessels. Over time, this pressure can damage artery walls. Pancakes with syrup deliver a massive sugar load. The liver converts excess glucose into fat. Some of that fat travels through the bloodstream, and it contributes to unhealthy cholesterol levels. Flavored yogurts may sound healthy, but many contain large amounts of hidden sugar. This triggers another insulin surge, and the cycle of sugar spikes begins again. Here's something most people don't realize. Doctors now believe repeated morning sugar spikes may accelerate artery damage. Day after day, these spikes irritate blood vessel walls, and over time, the heart becomes more vulnerable to disease. Donuts combine refined flour, sugar, and unhealthy fats. This mixture causes one of the fastest blood sugar spikes possible. Your pancreas releases large amounts of insulin, and your heart works harder to circulate the dense sugary blood. Fried hash browns contain large amounts of cooking oil. These fats enter the bloodstream through the intestines. Some cholesterol particles begin attaching to artery walls. Over time, this contributes to plaque buildup. Energy drinks may feel like a quick boost, but they deliver huge doses of caffeine and sugar. Stress hormones surge through the bloodstream, and the heart rate increases rapidly. But the good news is that better breakfast choices can protect your heart. Foods like oats release energy slowly into the bloodstream. This keeps blood sugar stable. Nuts and fruits provide antioxidants that support healthy arteries. A balanced breakfast allows blood vessels to relax. Circulation becomes smooth and steady. Oxygen flows easily through the coronary arteries, and the heart beats in a calm, efficient rhythm. Your breakfast choices affect your body within minutes. Every meal sends signals through your bloodstream. Choose foods that support your heart, not stress it, because when your heart stays healthy, it can power your entire body for decades to come. If you want to see what's really happening inside your body, subscribe for more cinematic 3D anatomy videos.